In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a new account on Perplexity AI. We'll walk through the process clearly and simply so you can get set up in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Perplexity AI website in your preferred web browser. You can type the address directly or search for Perplexity AI and select the official result. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL and overall branding. A stable internet connection will help everything load smoothly and prevent any hiccups during sign-up. Once the homepage is open, click the option that takes you to the Sign In or Sign Up screen. Depending on the current layout, you might see a button or link labeled Sign Up, Log In, or something similar that opens the authentication window. Go ahead and click it to move into the sign-up flow. On the Sign In screen, choose Continue with Google. This is a fast, secure way to create your Perplexity account without setting up a separate password. If a small window doesn't appear, your browser may be blocking it, so make sure the Google sign-in window is allowed to open. Using Google also helps keep your login consistent across devices, so it's a convenient option if you switch between your phone and computer. Next, select your email and follow the prompts on your screen. If you already see the Google account you want to use, click it. If you don't, switch accounts and pick the correct one. From there, simply continue through the on-screen steps. You may be asked to confirm that you want to sign in with Google and to allow basic account permissions so Perplexity can identify your profile. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, this might be as quick as a single confirmation. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email and password and complete any usual security checks, like two-step verification. Read each message briefly, then proceed as directed. When you finish the prompts, you'll be redirected back to Perplexity and automatically signed into your brand new account. You should land on your main workspace or home screen, which confirms everything worked. If anything doesn't load as expected, a quick refresh or trying another modern browser typically resolves it, and double-checking that you selected the intended Google account helps avoid confusion. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully signed up for a new Perplexity AI account using Google.